Hey guys, what's up? And tell me, how you spend your free time? I, in my free time, like to make earrings. And in this video, I'll show you how to make these awesome earrings. And this is my cat, and in free time he very like to sleep. And you can support me, give me big thumbs up and subscribe on my channel. Big thanks for watching my video. So let's start make earrings.
I cut it out form of earring of paper because it's very convenient. Roll out polymer clay and cut out this form. I take such metal base for jewelries and make a texture. Then place this base on the surface. Rub pearly pigment into the surface. Bake in oven. After baking, polishing sides. Cover with varnish. This is finish varnish. And put piece of silver foil on the surface. Sprinkle with black sparkles. And last time cover all with finish varnish. Need to wait until the varnish will be dry. Collect two parts together. Big thanks for watching my video. These not difficult and stylish earrings. I hope you liked everything and everything was clear for you. And see you soon. Bye!